Here I got more eBay packages on the box. First, some rocks this one. Get the shipping label off. Open it. It's got some rubber pads for my realistic speakers, the minimum 7 speakers. Should work well, pretty reliable. Or expensive though. Set that aside. Next. Open it. Might need to pause. Or another Fiat electric filament LED. Yeah, another one of these pings because I used one of these. This is just for my collector's items. Looks pretty good. Perfect shape. It's pretty new. Sure it works well. That's like $6 for this on 7. Not bad. So the speaker drivers in there. Hopefully they came in good condition. They're pretty rare. I want to pause. This is spare woofers. Hope I don't see any dents or anything like that. This is like ridiculous. Wow, man. Okay, looks good. There's woofers. This is like a similar like woofer I had like back in 2021. Bought new pairs. I don't have the other one anymore. Broke. I have 2. These are similar. Not the exact same, but I think they sound similar. They're the same wattage and stuff. Pretty beefy. Last but not least, the big package. The speakers as well. Just bought these. I've heard these in person back in 2016. My school had some of these speakers. They actually only had like 4 of these. They didn't have it in every classroom, which was pathetic. They had these like computer speakers, which was worse than these. These are okay. pretty good, too, actually. Just the tape. It's driving me crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm pretty much destroying the box. Oh, this is pretty new. It's just an open box listing. Hate to start from the power cord to the speakers. This is the power supply. I think DC powered is better. Unlike those Anchor speakers I had, it's all like in the unit. It's a heavier. Mounts. I'm not gonna mount them though. This is good as a collector's item. Here's the screws. Mount them. Here are the speakers themselves. Oh, they're two-way. I'm expecting that. Pretty rare for speakers like these. Sure, aux cord. It's not the original one. It might be been used there, but they look good. Just a few scuffs and stuff. You can see the midwoofer in there. It's a 4.5 inch. It's very small though. They only go down to 80 hertz, but they sound okay. They're heavy too. I think these might sound better than Anchor speakers too. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna clean up all the shit. Thanks for watching.